Welcome everyone. Question on organic chemistry. Nitromethane reacts with SN in the presence of HCl to form compound A. Compound A reacts with chloroform in the presence of potassium hydroxide to form compound B. Compound B reacts with hydrogen in the presence of nickel to form compound C. So, what is compound C? Choices are 1. Ethanol, 2. Acetone, 3. Dimethylamine, 4. Acetaldehyde. Answer is 3. Dimethylamine. Explanation we will see in the next slide. The reduction of nitromethane by SN in the presence of HCl produces methylamine. So, our compound A is methylamine. Methylamine reacts with chloroform in the presence of potassium hydroxide to form methyl isocyanate. So, our compound B is methyl isocyanate. The reduction of methyl isocyanate using hydrogen in the presence of nickel produces dimethylamine. So, our compound C is dimethylamine. Thank you for watching this video.